Alright guys, so the second thing we'll talk about today is if you're able to sketch the graph, then how do we find the x-intercept and y-intercept on this graph? Okay, so we're going to start with the easy one. We're finding the x-intercept. Now what you need to do is you need to go to the menu, click on Analyze Graph, and click on 0. Okay, so that is basically trying to find a 0 point on this line. So you need to find, well, we know the x-intercept is roughly here, so you need to go slightly to the left, go slightly to the right, and after you finish that, you'll see this one popping up right in front of us saying 60. So this is going to be our x-intercept. Okay, so I'll repeat that again just in case if you miss anything. Click on menu, click on Analyze Graph, click on 0, go to the left and go to the right, and this whole thing, the lovely intercept will just appear. Okay, so 6 and 0 will be the intercept for this line, for example. Right, have a go with the question yourself.